How to fix you are following too fast problem easily and fast on TikTok app. Hello guys, so in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings and go into the apps manager like this. Open the apps and then you have to wait a few seconds right here, and after you wait, now all what you want to do is scroll down until you find TikTok app. When you find it, now you have to go into the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and clear cache like this, and then go back and click on the permissions. Now right here you have to enable all the permissions and go back again, click on the power usage details, and then click down here on this force stop option to stop the power analysis or the CPU from running. After that, you have to update your TikTok in the Play Store or the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.